In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect JBL Go 3 to your PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up your JBL Go 3 and connect it to a PlayStation 5. There are a few ways to connect it to your PlayStation 5. So for the main one, it is going to be Bluetooth. This is going to be the most common and easiest way to connect it to devices, and the best option for if you want a wireless connection. So first, turn on your JBL Go 3 and put it in pairing mode. If you are unsure on how to do this, I recommend reading the user manual. It could differ for other models, but for the most part, you will be able to set it up on pairing mode. So once it is in pairing mode, all that you have to do is on your PlayStation 5, go to the settings menu and choose sound. You will be able to see the audio devices and choose the JBL Go 3 available from the audio devices. So once you press and hold the Bluetooth button and it is in pairing mode, you will be good to go. Just go to the audio devices on your PlayStation 5 and select it there. Now, the other option that you have is going to be a 3.5mm aux. If your PlayStation 5 has the headphone jack available, just connect the JBL Go 3 to it using the included audio cable. This is going to be a wired connection, so it won't have the same range as Bluetooth, but it should have lower latency, so it is best in that regard. The last option that you have available would be an optical cable. Some PlayStation 5 models will have the optical audio output. If your PlayStation 5 has one of these optical outputs available, you will be able to connect it there. So all that you have to do is plug it into the optical output port and you will be able to use the JBL Go 3. Once again, this is going to be a wired connection, but it provides a better audio quality. Once it is connected, every sound that comes through from the PlayStation 5 will go through the JBL Go 3 speakers, and you will be able to use it there. You can use adapters depending on the ports that you have available, but for the most part, if you just want the most convenient way to connect it, just plug it into any of the available ports or use Bluetooth. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect JBL Go 3 to PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.